Formation today is a World War II era P-38 Lightning.
The Snowbirds!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of our commanding officer, Lieutenant Colonel Dennis Bandit, and all members of 431 Air Demonstration Squadron, welcome to the 2000. Judge me. I can see clearly when you're on my side. Or could you be that girl I knew? Walk into a smoke-filled room, a little black dress and mama shoes. Isn't it a bit too soon? Or could you be that girl Could you be that girl? Could you be that girl I knew? Take a step around the room, and every head keeps turning to little door. You fight 'em back.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.I. Still doing this, Andre.
Still Trey Day, AK. Though I phone a lot, can't keep it home a lot. That's when I frequent the spots that I'm known to rock.
Said I'm fabulously rich. Come on, just let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Captain Richard McDougal. Burn now.
Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, the 2021 Canadian Forces Snowbirds.
very patriotic ceremony before they fly today with the enlistment of some folks who are gathering up right now near the Thunderbird jets. These are young people who have decided to commit to the Air Force, and they will be sworn in front of us before the Thunderbirds fly today, which is pretty cool. Their families anxiously awaiting too, cameras in hand, and that's coming up in the next few minutes before we hand things over to the Thunderbirds. The Snowbirds will be coming back, taxiing in front of us here and shutting down. I'll hand things over to Jason at that